Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video of Happy Life. Well, today is Environmental Day. It's June 5th. Today is Environmental Day, and in this video we're going to discuss about something that happened in 1970s. We think this kind of environmental protection or climate change, save our earth, all these things have emerged in the 21st century, but it's not that. It's a movement, a very popular movement called Chipko movement, which gained popularity in the year as early as 1970s. In those times also, people were very much aware of the importance of plants or trees which protect human ecosystem. So basically this Chipko movement means, Chipko means to cling or to get attached. It's called Chipko in Hindi. So the ladies of the villages were, or the activists, popularly they were the activists, what we can say, they hugged tree. It was something like for some kind of industrialization, the administration of those times were thinking of cutting down or felling those trees. They hugged those trees, they tied sacred threads, they stood by those trees, and also chanted Bhagavad Gita shlokas just to protect or just to not allow people to fell those trees, because they realized in those times in 1970s how important were trees to keep that balance of ecosystem. Perhaps they had some at that time there was a flood which was attributed to felling or cutting of trees because of some kind of industrial activities. They understood or realized the bad effects of cutting trees or not protecting the natural habitat or forest. So in this Chipko movement, they protested as early as 1970s, started protesting, going through or doing activism just to protect trees. So I think it had a lasting impact. It bent the then administration not to fell trees in favor of heavy industrialization, and which really perhaps paid off for those people who had to survive, who were surviving on those very trees or forest for small kind of small sustainable industries, like what we call as cottage industries, or for their firewood as well, for a sustainable living in a nutshell. So I think in this Environment Day, perhaps we have to reiterate that it's not a fashion, but it was some kind of a need, which this protection of environment is some kind of a need today, which started as early as 1970s in India, when India was already a good forested area. And we should realize that in this 21st century, when most of the forested area have been sacrificed for our modern style of living or industrial activities, it becomes much more important to go back to nature, to live in nature, and to grow or to have get back that greenery or that forest that we lost all these years due to heavy commercial or industrial activities, or for many other things as well. So friends, on this on this date of Environmental Day, let us start reaffirming our pledge or our determination to protect environment, to give back, or there was a very good line, like we have taken loan this environment or this planet, that we have to again give back to our future generations. So let us protect or save this environment so that we give a cleaner, green and a better environment, a better place to live to our next generation, our own child or our children and their children as well. So friends, so that's it. Let's be conscious on this Environment Day to protect our planet Earth, to protect our environment, as finally sustainable living is the only living that humans need for a satisfied, happy life, without falling into a race or a stressful racing or competition or rivalry among each other, who is getting more and more industrialized, who is getting more and more developed. So friends, I hope this I hope you like this video. So that's it. So till our next video, see you again. Thank you.